Hi, my name is James. I'm with LED Torch Shop Australia, and today we're doing a review on a few of the EagleTac flashlights. As you can see, we've got three different models in this video. The reason we've bunched the models together is because the user interface on each model is identical. It works the same way. So just for the purpose of the video, we've put the three side by side so you can see the difference in the size, and we'll just run through the difference in the battery types with them. Up the top here you've got the EagleTac T20C2 Mark II, which currently has the new XML Cree chip in it, which is rated at 420 lumens out the front. In the middle here you've got the P20C2 Mark II, which is currently rated at 300 lumens. And down here you've got the P20A2, which is the longest of the three, which is currently rated at 230 lumens. Reason the output on this one is a bit lower than what these other two guys are is because it's running on the AA batteries. So for instance, the T20C2, if you want to know what type of battery goes in it, it's the rechargeable 18650, or you can also use two of the primary CR123A batteries, and that's in the T20C2. In the P20C2 you can also use two of the primary CR123A batteries, which are disposable. And if you want to use rechargeables in the P20C2, you can use two of the 16340, which you'll find in our battery section. And with the P20A2, this is the AA version of this series, so you need two AA batteries in this light. As I said, the user interface on all lights is the same, so we're just going to take these two guys out of the video and we'll go through a few features. First of all, I'll just run through what you actually get in the pack. Each pack comes with a holster, so each torch will come with its own holster, a nicely made holster. It's got elastic sides on it, so the torch is nice and secure in here. Nicely finished. At the back, you've got a buckle. You've got a loop that can be attached to a lanyard or some other sort of a clip. The belt loop is fully sewn, so it's quite secure. It's not gonna come undone. You also have the option of putting a lanyard onto the flashlight. So it comes with a lanyard. Comes with a battery tube. This is to use with two CR123A batteries to put them together. It also comes with a diffuser to go on top of the light. I'll show you how that works in a few minutes. And it comes with some spare O-rings, and it also comes with a little rubber boot, and I'll show you how that works in a minute as well. So we'll take the flashlight out of the case. The rubber boot is basically designed to make the flashlight stand as a candle. So if you're out camping or whatever, this light can be just placed like this. It will hold itself up. The diffuser, which is a clear diffuser, goes on top here. You just unscrew the bezel, you put the diffuser on top here, and it spreads the light a little bit better. It makes it more of a practical camping light as opposed to something that's got a very high glare coming out of it. And that's pretty much the whole accessory kit. You also get your EagleTac warranty card, and you get a full set of EagleTac instructions for the light to show you how to use it. There's a few features with the user interface on this, and we'll go through them now. We'll take this off the back here. As with a lot of lights, you've got a momentary on when you click at the back. Now I've also got tactical mode set on this flashlight. It doesn't come factory set with tactical mode, but you can set it yourself if you want. And all it is the first press the light comes on. Immediately when you press it the second time, it goes into a strobe mode. So it's good if people want to use it as a defensive tool. So you've got on, and then your second click will bring you straight into that strobe mode. But as I said, it doesn't come turned on from the factory, but it's easy to switch it on. You just read the instructions and it shows you how to do it. You can change the output of the flashlight. That's quite easy as well. That's on high at the moment. To change the output, you simply twist the head. You just twist the head back and it goes to a medium setting. And if medium's too high, so for instance, if you're reading a piece of paper at night time or whatever, or a map or a license or whatever, you can turn it down once more. You can go into a lower setting. So that's quite useful for reading. It's also got a few hidden modes in here as well. You can access the hidden modes by twisting the head again. So you tighten it and loosen it. And those modes are, the first one is a strobe, a high frequency strobe. The second one is a beacon strobe. And the third mode that you can go into is an SOS. So that's quite useful. It's not going to get activated inadvertently, but it is there if you want to use it. So that's the EagleTac T20C2. Extremely powerful tactical size flashlight. As you can see, it's not that big in my hand. So you've got the EagleTac T20C2. And you've also got the EagleTac P20C2. As you can see, I've got the lanyard attached to the P20. You can do the same with the T20 and the P20A. So that's the P20C2. And this is the P20A2. As you can see, it's a little bit longer than the other two. That's just to accommodate the two AA batteries. It's still quite a small light. They all come with pocket clips as well. So that's the EagleTac T20C2, P20C2 and P20A2. Thank you.